साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
Dear devotees, you are about to embark on the greatest journey of your life, a journey to the core of your inner being. Please, all in a low voice, follow the Omkar and let your mind reach a quietude of silence. All together, let us repeat the Pranava. please sit up straight. And in the quietness of your mind, hear the sound of your breathing. Breathe in and out. In, out. Now, open your eyes and see the light in front of you. This is the light of a candle. Gaze intently at the light. Now, feel the light shining in the center of your forehead. Now half close your eyes and feel the light in the center of your forehead. Now, let that light come down your neck to the center of your chest. Imagine a flower, a lotus, opening petal by petal to receive the light. Now the light is resting on the lotus. The lotus disappears, only the light remains. But it is no more the light of the candle. It is a round ball of formless light. It is a light of divinity within you. Feel this light now expand, and feel the light going down your body, into your legs, up to your feet. Feel warmth as the light surges through your limbs. And make this mental vow, O Lord, my legs, touched by the light of your divinity, will always take me only to places of goodness. Feel the light surging upwards, up into your chest, around your shoulders, and down into your arms and fingers. Feel the warmth as this light surges through you. Make this mental vow, O Lord, my arms, touched by the light of your divinity, will only yearn to do what is good. Now feel the light surging upwards into your neck and into your face, into your head, and the light now shines in your eyes. Make a vow. My eyes must yearn to see only what is good. Feel the light now shining in your ears. My ears must yearn to hear only what is good. Feel the light now shining on your lips. My lips must yearn to only speak what is good. Now, feel this light now shining into your whole body. The light illumines the body. In your mind, repeat the words, the light is in me. Now feel the light expand. Expand, and you are now sitting in a ball of light, in a cone of formless light. Let your mind say, the light is within me, I am in the light. Feel a thrill of this light, and now feel this light expanding and filling this entire room with a divine glow. And let this light now go beyond this room, beyond and beyond, spreading ever further to this whole country, and beyond this country, beyond oceans and beyond nations. Let this light flow ever outwards to encompass the whole world. Now, imagine yourself, not your physical body, but an inner being within you, like a gigantic divine form. sitting on the globe, and the light of your divinity, the light of your love encompassing the whole world. Stay for a moment, thrilled in that thought. Now, bring into your mind's eye and send your light of love to all the creatures of the world, all the animals and insects, creatures that fly or crawl, all of them are God's creatures. Send your light of love now to those whom you dislike or whom you think dislike you. Send your love, send your light of love to them. The same Atma in you is also in them. Let them feel the radiance of your light. Let them feel the radiance of your love. Now, into your mind's eye, bring those you love, your spouse, children, relations, friends, whoever. Bathe them with the divine glow of your love. Feel oneness with the whole world. Feel at peace with yourself. And now, look inside you. Can you imagine? Do you see a ball of light within you? In this ball of light, bring in the form of the Ishtadeva, the divine being that you love and worship. See this form smiling within you. See this divine form raise his hands in blessing. You have shared your love with the world. Now, receive the blessing and darshan of the divine within. Stay for a moment, thrilled in this thought that you and he are one. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीभास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अशहदु अन्ना इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अशहदु अन्ना इलाहा इल्लल्लाह अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदर रसूलुल्लाह अशहदु अन्ना मुहम्मदर रसूलुल्लाह हय्या अलल सलाह हय्या अलल सलाह हय्या अलल फलाह हय्या अलल फलाह अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
आज्ञा भैया काल की कभी चलायो बंद सब सीखन को कम है गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ गुरु ग्रंथ जी मानियो प्रगट पुरा की ने जो प्रभु को मिले वो चाहे खोज शब्द मिले राज करेगा खालसा आकी रहे न कोई बार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए वाहे गुरु नाम जहाँ रहे चढ़े सौंदर्य पार जो श्रद्धा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार जो श्रद्धा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ नमो अहिरन्तानं ॐ नमो सिद्धानं ॐ नमो आर्ययानं ॐ नमो नमो लोये सर्वसाहुरणं ते सोपं च नमो कायो सर्वपापविनाशनो मङ्गलानं च सर्वेशं परमं भवयेमङ्गलम्
तया नस्तनुभाषन्तमया गिरिशन्ता
गृह्णात्वा कृमे हन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीणागुं राजा अप्येषागस्थपतिर्हतः अथो माताथो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो क्षुद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका हताः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे हताः आहरावद्य श्रितस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यं यदमुय्यमस्य जम्भयोः आदधामि तथा हि तत् खण्फण्मृषि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
श्री गणपति हरि श्री गणपति हरि श्री गणपति हरि श्री गणपति हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि हरि ओम गणपति हरि वरदाभयकर आनन्ददायक वरदाभयकर आनन्ददायक शिव शक्ति नंदन शिव शक्ति नंदन शिव शक्ति नंदन शिव शक्ति नंदन गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि गणपति हरि गुणनिधे हरि हरि ओम गणपति हरि हरि ओम गणपति हरि श्री गणपति हरि श्री गणपति हरि गणपति हरि
पर्ती नंदन राधे श्यामा नंदन राधे श्यामा पर्ती नंदन राधे श्यामा नंदन राधे श्यामा आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा साई घनश्यामा आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा साई घनश्यामा वृंदावन घन श्याम गोविंद वृंदावन घन श्याम गोविंद श्याम गोविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद हे गिरिधारी साई मुरारी गिरिधारी साई मुरारी हे गिरिधारी साई मुरारी गिरिधारी साई मुरारी आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा आओ साई घनश्यामा आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा पर्ती नंदन राधे श्यामा नंदन राधे श्यामा आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा साई घनश्यामा वृंदावन घन श्याम गोविंद घन श्याम गोविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद मधुर मनोहर मुखारविंद हे गिरिधारी साई मुरारी गिरिधारी साई मुरारी आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा आओ साई घनश्यामा आओ आओ साई घनश्यामा साई घनश्यामा पर्ती नंदन राधे श्यामा
शारदे 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 शारदे
तुम हो
अल्लाह तेरो नाम साईं, मौला तेरो कृष्ण करीम साईं, राम
नमस्ते प्रेम रूपाय नमस्ते परमात्मने नमस्ते शिरडीनाथाय नमस्ते सत्यसाईने। सविनय सप्रेम सकुटुंब सहित कोटि कोटि साष्टांग प्रणाम at the divine lotus feet of my beloved Bhagavan, my beloved Swami, respected elders, and dear Sai brothers and sisters. Swami, out of his infinite mercy and compassion, has given us 5 fundamental principles of day-to-day spirituality: discipline, discrimination, dedication, duty, and devotion. And Swami time and again insists on discipline, Atma Sanyam, Atma Anushasan. Self-discipline is the best discipline. With the approval of Bhagavan and with his divine command and with his authority and with his will, today, on this auspicious occasion, in the august assembly of our immediate divine presence of beloved Swami, I would like to share with you what Swami has taught me and made me realize regarding discipline. Swami very beautifully, in his very unique style, has first of all asked me, Papat, before you understand discipline, first try and find out what is indiscipline. And then Bhagavan explained, Padachyuta, Pathachyuta, Kartavyachuta, Dhyayachuta. These are the signs of total indiscipline. Let's try and examine one by one. Padachyuta. What is my pada? What is my status? Am I a student? Am I studying only to become steady? I am a householder. Do I look after my family? Am I an ideal husband? Am I an ideal father? Am I an ideal mother or a brother? These are the questions that we need to ask. That am I performing the duties in the spirit of duty is God and work is worship? And am I following the dictates of the Sanatan Dharma? Dharma artha kama moksha. Kayena vachana manasa, not only physically. Swami raised this very pertinent question. Wearing white dress, that is it only the discipline? Sitting together in a queue, is it only a discipline? Or these are the elementary signs. But when you perform with the optimum efficiency in the spirit of, as Bhagavan has very beautifully said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Swakarmana Abhyarchana. When you perform your duties without supervision, and Bhagavan once very beautifully explained to me, Papat, who is supervision? One who is super and his vision is super. He can only supervise. He is supreme and wise. So when we are totally saturated with this understanding that he is with us, not only with awareness, but be awareness. Padachyuta. Pathachyuta. When we get totally disoriented from the path that has been laid down by Swami. What is the path that he has laid down for us? Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prem, and Ahimsa. Swadharma nidhanam shreya pardharmo bhayavaha. Karmanye vadikaraste maaphaleshu kadachana. Yoga karmeshu kaushalam. These are the guidelines that he has laid down as milestones over which we are supposed. And as with Bhagavan's divine instructions and inspiration, as we were discussing yesterday, that buy the ticket of bhakti, travel in the compartment of karma, occupy the seat of jnana, and commence the journey towards your destination. And with God, there is no failure. Padachyuta, Pathachyutya, Kartavyachuta. when I forget my basic fundamental kartavya. What is that? Bhagavan again explained. Satyam vada, dharmam chara, matrudevo bhava, pitrudevo bhava, acharya devo bhava, atithi devo bhava, swadhyayam pramadaha, swadhyaya pravachanam na pramadaha, deva pitruk karyabdam na pramadaha, kushalan na pramadidavyam, Shraddhaya deyam, ashraddhaya deyam, shriya deyam, hiya deyam. These are the fundamental kartavyas. When I forget that out of ignorance and illusion, and when I identify myself at physical level, then it is total indiscipline. And then Bhagavan also very beautifully explained, padachyuta, pathachyuta, kartavyachyuta, dhyeyachyuta. When you forget the fundamental aim and objective of your life. And what is that? Bhagavan is very beautifully explained to us. And he says, the aim of this life is to realize your divine heritage. The aim of your life in day-to-day spiritual life is to follow the principles of Daiva Priti, Papa Bhiti, Sanganiti. And then, of course, he has given us the cardinal principles of, as we were discussing yesterday with His Grace, love all, serve all. And Bhagavan, I'm very tempted to say again, Baba actually put me off the ground. He said, Papa, do you love all? Do you serve all? No, I don't serve all. I will operate within the comfort zone. होगा तो देखा जाएगा, जागेंगे तो सोचेंगे, अगर करना होगा, अगर हो सकता है तो करेंगे, नहीं तो छोड़ देंगे. छह, ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? Bhagavan says, you must serve until it hurts. And there is a step forward. You must serve until you bleed. Why hurt? Why hurt? Bleed. Shed every drop of blood. That is not ours. When the liquid love will flow in action, that is seva to the master. Padachyuta, pathachyuta, dheyachyuta, kartavyachyuta. And how do we observe this discipline? And Bhagavan has given us wonderful second principle, discrimination. Buddhi yogam dadatu me. And Swami explained to me in his love and infinite mercy that Buddhi yoga, puppet, intelligence and intellect, you got to differentiate. These are the finer, subtle, there are 10 attributes of Buddhi. With Bhagavan's divine approval, I will go through that. First, Jagrata Buddhi. Second, Viveka Buddhi. Third, Sukshma Buddhi. Fourth, Sthira Buddhi. Fifth, Sarala Buddhi. We will go one by one. Next, Vyapaka Buddhi. Next, Tikshana Buddhi. Next, Satvika Buddhi. And the last, Astika Buddhi. Positive intellect. Let's go one by one as Bhagavan is very beautifully explained. Jagrata Buddhi. Jagrata Buddhi will always tell us, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Otherwise you will fall into the indiscipline, as Bhagavan has rightly said, Kartavyachyuta, Padachyuta, Dheyachyuta. Be aware that I am with you. And then, in the light of that understanding, Kartavya, your day-to-day affairs, not only at physical level, at all levels. Jagrata Buddhi, Viveka Buddhi. What is correct, what is wrong? What is right, what is good for me? Right action done with wrong intentions are bad actions. Bad actions done with right motives are good actions. Swami says it is the intensity of your motive, sadbhavana, followed by sadvichar, leading to satkarma, as a result of satchintanam. These are the attributes of sadbuddhi. Viveka buddhi. Is it good for me? I remember Bhagavan once very beautifully explained to me regarding the ceiling on desire. He said, Puppet, you should ask 3 questions to yourself. Number 1, do I want it? Second, can I afford it? We are worldly people, that's why I'm speaking like this in the Sai family. We are in front of my Divine Father. Baba said, first ask, do I need it? Secondly, can I afford it? And the third, very important and pertinent question, can I live without it? If the first answer is yes, I need it, discrimination leads to another question, can I afford it? Physically, mentally, spiritually, is it for my good? Is it for Loka Kalyanam? Is it going to lead for Upakaram, Paropkaram? Or is it going to drift me away from my Swadharma? Huh? And if the answer is yes, that yes, I need it, I can afford it, with His grace, then the question is, can I live without it? And Bhagavan very beautifully explained to me that if the answer to the third question is that I can live without it, Baba said, then don't have it. क्यों चाहिए? Less luggage, travel comfortably. अरे आराम से जाओ ना, ट्रेन में बैठा है, टिकट लिया है, फिर सर के ऊपर सामान क्यों रखता है? हैं? इतना तो खोपड़ी होना चाहिए ना, इतना तो अक्कल होना चाहिए. I need it, I can afford it, but I can live without it. Then let's not have it. I need a cup of tea, I can afford it, but my master says, give up tea and coffee because it's not good for you and it will improve your memory. And puppet, सवेरे चाय पी के तुम्हारा क्या दिमाग नहीं काम करता है उसके बिना? First appointment is with God. नहीं, लेकिन हमको बेड टी चाहिए. I don't need it, I can live without it. Then I don't have it. जागृत बुद्धि, विवेक बुद्धि. Next, सरल बुद्धि, simple intellect. Bhagavan once very beautifully explained to me, he said, puppet, God is simple, man is very complex. अपने आप प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. अभिमन्यु का चक्रव्यूह था, वो बहुत आसान था. तुम्हारा चक्रव्यूह है ना, बहुत भयंकर है. उसके अंदर तुम डूबता जाता है. Dive deep, diamonds are available deep down. Swami asked me once very pertinent question, how long will you float and swim only on the surface? Onward, Godward, forward. As Bhagavan Ramakrishna Paramahansa Deva very beautifully explained once in Dakshineshwar, that a woodcutter was asked, Are, you are satisfied with the ordinary wood? Che, go forward. You will find sandalwood. Go forward. You will find the silver mine. Are, go forward. You will find Bangaru. Are, go forward. You will find the mine, diamond. Are, go forward. You will find the owner himself. And how fortunate we are that we are in front of the owner only. Brothers and sisters, yesterday I was saying that I'm only a puppet. This is a puppet show part 2. But then, we all are puppets. Earlier we realized better it is, I'm telling you. I'm saying this in the family way. And of course, Bhagavan says that Swadhyay. First I am listening myself. So I am telling my this own little self that puppet first become a 0. When he comes and stands in front of you, you are number 10. Drift away little from the ego. He comes nearer and another 0 is added of goodness. You become 100. Lift away a little bit, another 0 will be added of humility. Swami gave me 10, 14 principles of spirituality. Simplicity, humility, nobility, sincerity, honesty, loyalty, integrity, intensity, persistency, consistency, equanimity, unity, purity, divinity. And Bhagavan also explained, अरे तुम पूजा कैसे करता है, आंख बंद के करता है? हाँ? अरे how long will you serve the master with patram pushpam phalam toyam? So I asked one day Baba in early morning, Brahma Muhurat, Baba, क्या करने का? He said very simple, sadbhavana, sadvichar, sadachar, satsang, सत्कर्म, सद्बुद्धि, संयम, स्वास्थ्य, सेवा, सहन शक्ति, सहनशीलता, समर्पण, शरणागति. Because in शरणागति lies mati, gati, sumati, pragati, unnati, virgati, sadgati.
Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Tat Sat Shri Narayana Tu Purushottama Guru Tu Siddha Buddha Tu Skanda Vinayaka Savita Pavaka Tu Savita Pavaka Tu Brahmastu Yavashakti Tu Yeshu Pita Prabhu Tu Rudra Vishnu Tu Rama Krishna Tu Rahimata Tu Rahimata Tu Vasudeva Go Vishwarupa Tu Chidananda Hari Tu Advitiya Tu Akala Nirbhaya Atmalinga Shiva Tu Atmalinga Shiva Tu Atmalinga Shiva Tu. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Parti Maheshwara. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Sashivadana Shrikara Sarva Pranapate Swami Sarva Pranapate Ashrita Karpaladika Ashrita Karpaladika Aparvardava. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Gurudevam Variyantayunive Swami Variyantayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Jai Shri Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Annuka Mangala Arati Annuka Mangala Giridhari. Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana. Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana. समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ